Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we are learning greetings and daily expressions. These are the small but powerful sentences you use every day.
Yes. After this video, you will speak more politely, more confidently, and more naturally in English. So stay with us until the end. Part 1. Basic Greetings.
Let's start with the most common greetings. Repeat after me, slowly. Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
These are all friendly and simple. You can use them with anyone. Now let's learn greetings for different times of the day.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
But remember, good night is not a greeting. Good night is used when you are leaving or going to sleep.
Exactly. So if someone arrives, you say, good evening. But if someone is leaving, you say, good night.
Simple, right? Let's practice with a quick example. Mini practice.
Hi, Mark. Good morning.
Good morning, Anna. How are you? Part 2. Asking. How are you?
Now let's learn how to ask someone how they are. We all know, how are you? But there are many natural expressions.
Let's say them slowly.
How's it going? How are you doing? What's up? Very casual. How have you been? For someone you haven't seen in a while.
Great. Now let's learn how to answer.
You can say, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm great. I'm okay. I'm a little tired. Not bad. Very common.
And always remember to ask back, so you can say, and you? How about you? Mini dialogue.
Hey, Mark. How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm great, thanks.
Part 3. Polite daily expression.
Now let's learn some polite expressions you can use every day. 1. Saying please.
Please makes your English sound polite. Examples. Can you help me, please? Please give me a minute. 2. Saying thank you.
You can say, thank you. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Stronger.
And the answer is, you're welcome. No problem. Anytime. Don't mention it. Friendly.
3. Saying sorry. When you make a mistake, say, I'm sorry. My apologies. 4. Getting someone's attention.
Excuse me. Use this when you want to ask something politely. Example. Excuse me. Where is the restroom?
5. When you don't understand. This is very useful. Could you repeat that, please? I didn't understand. Can you speak more slowly? 6. Asking for help.
Can you help me? Could you show me? I need some help, please.
Part 4. Daily routine expressions. 1.5 minutes. Now, let's learn some expressions we use every day.
Here are some common ones. I just woke up. I'm getting ready. I'm going to work. I'm on my way. I just got home. I'm making dinner. I'm going to sleep.
These simple sentences help you sound fluent in daily conversations. Mini dialogue.
Hey, Anna, where are you?
I'm on my way.
Okay, take your time.
Part 5. Short conversation practice. Now let's practice everything in a small conversation. Practice conversation. Good afternoon, Mark. Good afternoon, Anna. How are you doing? I'm great, thanks. And you?
Not bad. I'm just on my way home.
Nice. Talk to you later.
Sure. Have a great day.
You too. Conclusion plus call to action. Great job, everyone. Today you learned greetings and daily expressions that you can use in real life.
Now it's your turn. Write in the comments, how are you today? We will reply.
If you liked this lesson, click like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who wants to learn English.
And don't forget to watch our next lesson, How to Introduce Yourself in English. See you next time.